Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the door. Create a dedicated browser profile and sign in only to accounts you need. Use a password manager and enable two-factor authentication so credentials aren't the weakest link. Once done, remove or disable unnecessary extensions and enable content filters to block tracking and malicious scripts. This reduces distractions and attack surface. Make sure to update the browser and OS now and schedule automatic updates so you stay protected without thinking about it. You now focus on efficient discovery. Craft specific search queries using quotes, cite, and Boolean terms to get precise results. While scanning results, check authorship, date, and domain credibility to avoid misinformation. Prefer primary sources and reputable organizations. Once you find content, cross-check two independent sources to confirm claims. Make sure to use a privacy-focused search engine or an incognito window for sensitive topics, and avoid downloading files unless the source is verified and checksums match when you wrap up by controlling what goes out. When sharing, add context and limit personal details. For sensitive exchanges, use ephemeral messages or encrypted channels. Backup essential files and export account recovery codes to a secure vault so you can recover quickly. If something goes wrong, disconnect from the network immediately, change critical passwords using your manager, run a full malware scan, and restore from a verified backup if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if access fails, try a different device to isolate whether the issue is local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.